Hi there, my name's Jeff Johnson, and for the better part of the last 2 decades, I have been growing a lot of my own food. For about half that time, I've been developing this urban yard into a cultivated ecology of food forestry, greenhouse propagation, and intensive vegetable production. And that's what this video series is on, the veggies. In many ways, I've made my adult life a living experiment in carbon cutting and organic self-reliance. And I do feel that I have a lot of learning to share with those pursuing a similar path. Those who want to produce organic food at home sustainably. I've never been too interested in obtaining official certification for what I do because my only two real priorities have been ecological sustainability and producing food efficiently. I believe that the heavy yields I get for what I do here are all the credentials I need. Anyone can garden, but who can really feed themselves while doing no considerable damage to their ecology? Will it be you? Join me on a shameless geek fest of unbridled biophilia and intensive organic abundance. I'll show you through my year-round veggie garden at the rate of about a month per minute, and you'll see how it's possible to get organic year-round abundance out of a compact growing space in a coastal temperate climate. Although oriented to beginner gardeners, there's something here for all open-minded veterans. You'll be getting my entire 2017 growing season. That's 12 video lessons, and each video follows a series of crops that cycle through a delineated area of my production space. You're getting step-by-step, week-by-week instructions to guide you from seed all the way through to scale. So I want to empower you to grow your own food sustainably at home because it's so enjoyable becoming a part of your own food web. This series of video lessons distills my sense of timing for the viewer, but also my experience of garden design, soil stewardship, and efficient crop production. Food is the connective element in all ecologies, and taking responsibility for getting it into us without melting off the planet's ice caps, well, that's a worthwhile challenge for us all. And the more ways we have of doing this, the better. I just want to show you one proven way of home-scale food production that gets the goods without costing the earth. It's what I do, and I can't wait to show you how to do it too.